Hello everyone, Paul Bagan, Certified Dale Carnegie Course Facilitator. People, processes equals profits. Learn the secret behind this formula and much more by attending the Dale Carnegie Leadership Training Program for Managers. My next class is going to be in Modesto. Calling dates and times will be Fridays, October 4th, 11th, and 18th from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next program. Questions? Feel free to call area code 209-910-1411 or hit me up with an email. I'm at paul.bagan@dalecarnegie.com. Remember, people, processes,